welcome to Kidz Vidz. As many of you noticed, we reached more than 500 subscribers. And thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and liking and watching my videos. And today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Macbook. And this was requested from someone in my previous videos. So, the materials you'll need are cardboard, scissors, pencil, ruler, glue, hot glue. So, let's get started. So step 1 is to draw 3 rectangles on the cardboard of the size of an A4 paper. So if I've already drew them, so I'm going to cut them out. We're done cutting the 3 pieces and they look something like this. So, the top one is going to be used for the MacBook screen, the middle one is going to be used for the MacBook keyboard, and the third one is going to be used for the MacBook base. And additionally, we're going to have to cut one more rectangular piece, 2 inches by 6 inches, so it will connect from the screen to the base. And we're going to cut this out. Now, we're going to fold it from the center. Now that the folding is complete, we're gonna take the hot glue gun and we're gonna stick it on here. The hot glue gun is heated up, so we're gonna hot glue gun it on the small rectangle. Now let's tighten this up. Now, we're going to put hot glue on this side. Now, we're putting the base on top. We're done connecting the screen to the base. So, the next step is to stick the keyboard on the base. For that, you're going to put glue all around the corners, and you're going to put drops of hot glue and stick it. Now we're going to put it on the bottom edges. Our MacBook is now nearly ready. So finally, we're going to decorate our MacBook. So you can take a marker and draw the keyboard, screen, and the Apple logo. But however, I got printouts so I can stick it on the keyboard, screen, and the cover. So let's get right into it. So this is the cover printout, which we're going to be sticking on here. And this is going to be the screen. And finally, this is going to be our keyboard. Let's start sticking the keyboard. We'll stick it with glue. Now that the keyboard is stuck, we're gonna stick the screen. Again, we're gonna apply glue on the screen. Let's stick the screen now. Now, we're gonna stick the cover. Finally, our MacBook is ready. Now, let's see how it looks like. Da, 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 da. Now, as you can see, it stands without any support. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestions, please put it in the comments down below. Bye guys! See you soon in my next video.